Hello, it's me Madhuritu. Welcome to my channel. In this very clip, I am showing my birthday greeting card that I have received from my workplace, which means that I am back to work. And now I am going to give you a quick overview of what has happened on my birthday because this is the birthday vlog. Since 1 week has passed by, I'm sharing the most awaited vlog of the year, at least for me, as birthdays are the most special day of the entire year. So I'm gonna share everything that I have done on this birthday. By the way, all the food items on the screen are prepared by my mother. She does that every single day. So every day the meals that we eat at home are special. I have stepped into a new year with a grateful heart and so much excitement. I so love buying flowers for myself. A beautiful, fragrant, fresh rose may wilt with time, but its essence remains. I feel age is not measured in years but in the depth of one's understanding of life. Well, in this clip, we are trying to decorate the entire house. Although I love treating myself the way I deserve, I always, especially from the last 3 4 years, choose joy, abundance, and peace, and also a holiday on my birthday. I definitely feel proud of the person I'm becoming. Talking about this year, I particularly learned to stand up for not just myself but also for others whenever it's possible. This year, I want to craft my life and continue nurturing my dreams, expanding my horizons, and becoming the most authentic version of myself. Continue eating whatever I like and whenever I feel like, because I think that sense of freedom and the ability to monetarily fund yourself with everything that you want is very fulfilling in life. Goal remains same, which is to travel more and more countries. You can see the magnets that I have collected from various places. I have donated a few over here as well, but 20 kilos, lots of clothes, which means that shopping and too much of clothes. I love the fact that no matter what, my sister, brother-in-law, and nephew never fail to call me at midnight, and that's what they did this time as well. And oh my god, my sister showered with so many gifts. I was amazed.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, it's me Madhuritu. Welcome to my channel. And today is our birthday vlog.
God bless you.
Thank you. I'm going to try something new. It's a party popper. I haven't popped it at home, so we are gonna do this. By the way, today is my mom's birthday as well, technically, but we celebrate the month and the tithi in Indian way, Bengali way. ठीक है बोले तो हम जानता हूँ ना
Happy birthday.
This year, it was a week long celebration, rather, from the beginning of the month of November. I like it this way. The whole year should give you birthday or celebration vibes, you know. It was Monday that day, so we went to our nearest tiny little temple. Before that, we went to Kali Ghat also the other day, and of course, it was the season of all pujas, so everything was celebrated. Even the priest also greeted me so well and blessed me so much. These were all the gifts by my parents and my sister and her family. This time I didn't cut the cake, but celebrated in a much traditional way, which I loved. There is something magical about celebrating birthday the Bengali way, with my favorite human beings, having payesh, blessings with some love and creating memories. May I ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, because that would add to the list of all the birthday gifts that I have received. So please don't forget to do so. In our culture, birthdays aren't just a date, they are a feeling of gratitude, prayers, traditions, and togetherness. I love my community, and everything we do is very comforting and not just extravagant. You know, when I was younger, my friends and my relatives, neighbors, everybody used to come to our home on my birthday and even on my sister's birthday, and my mom used to cook a lot of dishes for all of them. I miss those birthdays, but I also love the present ones equally. I will always celebrate my birthday every single year of my life. So next we went to Hyatt Regency Kolkata as a ritual which we have been following lately, because in any of the occasions we all go to any of the 5-star hotels of Kolkata. After that we had some errands to run, so we went to the Airtel office to get the job done, because the very next day I had flown back to Maldives, my workplace. So then we started enjoying our buffet at Waterside Cafe. That's where we went for my birthday lunch. There were a lot of food items. It was a limited buffet, but the taste was quite good, I would say. And the selections were quite nice. So even my parents also loved it. The quality was definitely good. The taste was good. However, the service was one of the worst. And this I can say after working and exploring so many 5-star hotels and resorts. So yes, Hyatt Regency, if anyone of you are watching, then sorry, you have to upgrade your standards and the level of F&B staffs. Hyatt Regency Kolkata being one of the oldest in the city, the expectations were high, because you know I have come here for casual training back in the day when I was studying.
Is the outdoor view. This is Waterside Cafe in Hyatt Regency. That's the outdoor view. This is the entrance of the restaurant, and we are having our meal now.
So from the buffet, my mom loved the Oriental and European section. My father, as always, the Indian section, and I was picking, from each and every sections. Please comment and let us know which section of food do you enjoy the most, or which part of the world's food do you cherish a lot, especially when you go for a buffet meal.
So full right now. The whole buffet seems very tiny, but there are so much of food and everything is so tasteful that we are so done. Sipping water.
Before the buffet started getting closed, I thought of showing the selection of food items those were there on the day of my visit, which is on 10th of November this year. Nothing fancy, yet nothing complicated. Simple, great food that you can avail over here. I stay in an island in Maldives, so buffet, or rather extravagant buffets, are nothing different for me, because that's what I consume on daily basis and that's what I get to see 3 times a day. No comparisons should be made. However, it is always good for me to explore and find out the shortcomings, or rather the unique things that can be implemented somewhere. The amount of food I ate overall during my vacation in Kolkata is way too much, and that also means that I have put on some weight, and you can see it.
Chulero.
See my newly done hair, it I think looks amazing, so my mom is asking me to flex it nicely on camera. During that time we were in food coma, so we were trying to distract ourselves by going to the powder room and just getting freshened up and all of that. You know what, ironically I believe that not everything is for the camera. A lot of things that I have experienced, or that has been done by us, which I don't display, like the gifts or the experiences or a lot of things. Like I have taken 3 different spa treatments, I have been to 3 different holiday destinations, and it was tiny little vacations everywhere, and I literally picked every single thing that I felt like or I wanted to. Even the freedom of spending time with my family and some of my friends, and not saying yes to every friend that asked me to meet out, or things like that. The freedom, basically the independence to make your own choice, to pick your own food, to do things on your own. I think it's very liberating, and nothing can be better than that, especially when you talk about birthdays. So yeah, this is the exterior of Hyatt Regency Kolkata. We were walking our way out, and here we decided to click some pictures and some video clips. Another temple was visited while we were coming back home.
এমন হয়েছে এটা ছিঁড়ে গেছে কতদিন থেকে ওই কালী পূজার থেকে লাগানো
Last but not least, subscribe to my channel and share it to more people.
This is what my sister got for me, and then there are many other gifts, so I'm gonna
She gifted me many more things like wash bags, diary, fancy pens, this, that, lots of things. And also my parents, I was so happy, and even I gifted myself some items. So all in all, it was an amazing birthday, exactly how I thought. But hold on guys, the surprise is not over yet. There's many more things to come, so please stay tuned till the last part of this vlog. I was cherishing the fuchkas, which are loved worldwide. I was enjoying every bit of it. I was packing all my bags.
Guys, I want to show you all something. I just landed, I entered in my room, and I saw something amazing.
Contemplating my thoughts and getting for my professional journey yet again after this beautiful holiday. Thanks to Dr. Ankan and the team for doing this floral art and
Oh my gosh. Oh.
all the things. Thank you. There was another cake cutting as well this month. All in all, I am blessed.